Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a little truck in the trees update. This old truck behind me here. It used to be an old farm truck that belonged to my father-in-law when he ran the farm. And eventually when it gave up, it was parked in the field. Parts were taken off of it. There really wasn't much left to it, so it was just left abandoned in the field. And the trees grew up around it and through it. It was really overgrown. When I first found it, you couldn't see the truck. It was surrounded by trees all around. A few years back I decided to trim the trees up so you can to expose the truck, and gave it a little paint job and used it as yard art. There really was nothing left to it, just the box, just the framework on that the box sat on, or the truck bed sat on, excuse me. I added these red railings to it to make it look like there's a box on the back of the truck. There was no seat. There was no windshield. I just put an old window up there to make it look like a windshield. Again, it was a few years back. It only has one original tire. Other tires are just laid against it. It was nice and bright a few years ago when I painted it, so I think it's time for a facelift. I have an old black and white photograph of this truck being used in the field. My husband and his father and his brother are loading hay onto it. But now the trees have all grown, say through it and around it. So I just have a bunch of old cans of spray paint, different colors, kicking around in the garage, and I thought that would be the perfect thing to use just to refresh this truck. A few of the trees need a little trimming again, or the truck will be hidden by the forest. Get some of the loose paint off with a wire brush. Well, I'm almost finished painting it with the colors that I had in the spray cans, but I really do not like it. So I've changed my mind. I'm going to buy some different paint and just use this paint as a base paint. Nope, it just doesn't seem to suit. The red looked better. Perhaps some other color, but not this one. Not these colors. Be back on another day. Give it another change over. Hello everyone. I've been busy for a few weeks, but I'm back here once again with the old truck and with a new color of paint. Hopefully it'll look better than this previous attempt at revamping my truck in the woods. So today I am going with a green paint. It is actually called Leapfrog Green. So gonna put that on the truck and see what it looks like. All right, folks, let's see what I got. Oh, very nice green. Well, there you have it, folks, my truck in the woods redo. It's not perfect, but it's not meant to be. It's meant to be rustic. I am liking this color much more than the previous one I had. So if you agree that this color looks better, click like.